Alright, boys and girls, I don't know if you noticed my last video. I like cooking on stainless. But while looking for the stainless pan, I found this pan in there. Now, I don't use this pan, but I pick it up and it's like, I don't even know if you could hear that. This thing is loose. So when the wife woke up, I says, "Hon, I'm throwing this thing in the garbage." And she goes, "Not my beloved grilled cheese pan. That thing makes the best grilled cheese." This thing's aluminum. Farberware. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not new. Anyway, so she kind of got upset. But we're gonna try and fix this. The screw seems tight to the frame, but the rivets seem loose. So we'll try and fix that. See what happens in here. Yeah, you can see it. All right. Now, seriously, this is nothing to fix. You're going to like this. This is easy peasy. Gotta chuck it up in the vise. I'll show you. So what we're going to do is these rivets, see from the side, I don't know if it's going to focus. The rivets are proud of the shoulder and the bracket. So I'm not going to clamp it in the vise. I'm going to use the vise to just support the back end of it. You got to hold it at the proper angle. Tighten it up just a little bit. Make sure your jaws are tight, because you're going to be hammering on the jaws of the vise. And then with like a heavy hammer, see how it flattened out? And we'll check it. That's it. They're aluminum little rivets. That's it. Now you got to get the wife to wash the pan again, because you just use car tools on the beloved grilled cheese pan. Now, well, let's go put it back together. All right. Shouldn't be too bad here. Make it too tight, and then you break it. Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go, boys and girls. All right. So she's going to go from mad at me because I was throwing it out to happy because I saved this real expensive family heirloom. All right. Good luck with your projects, boys and girls.